welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNICE for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. They sent me over this Jerry Curl V Part wig with the drawstring in the back. You guys, the wig feels so secure. The curls are absolutely gorgeous. It was so easy to put on, you guys. You guys can take this wig off at night. It's really convenient and beginner friendly. It's really easy to install. If you don't want to have to worry about any lace or any ear tabs or anything like that, and just have your natural leave out, a V-part is perfect for you. Also, UNICE is having their biggest sale that they've ever had right now. So I have the link to their website in the description box below so you guys can check out their huge deals that they have right now. So make sure you guys don't skip out on that. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. And let's get into this wig install because it's so cute. Look at this hair. It's so beautiful. All right, y'all. So we're working with UNICE. Y'all, UNICE is having a big sale right now. So make sure you guys check out the description box. I'm going to have the direct link in there so you guys can get you a wig for the low. This is the lowest they have ever had their wigs right now. So make sure you guys check out the description box. I'll have the direct link there to this wig and all the other wigs that are on sale as well. Okay, so make sure y'all check that out. But today, let's see the goodies that they sent first. Let's talk about the goodies. So we have 2 packs of wig caps. We have a baby hair brush with the extra baby hair brush attachment. We like that because that means your edge brush is gonna last a little bit longer. And then of course we have a melting band. And you can't forget your satin bag to store your wigs. You need to be storing your wigs in here. That's going to keep the longevity of your wig so it can last as long as possible, okay? So this is the wig we're working with. This is a Jerry Curl wig, y'all. It's 24 inches. So we have a Jerry Curl 24-inch V-part wig. Y'all see I got my little leave out? A minimal leave out. Minimal. But we have a V-part wig, y'all. It's got the new technique, so the weft is folded over for a nice, seamless, flat install. Inside, we have 2 combs here, and then we have the 2 clips. They're like clips, and they clamp for security. There's also a clip in the middle that clamps like that. We have an adjustable elastic band and also a drawstring in the back for a even more secure fit as well. And then of course the comb at the bottom. Oh my gosh, my hands are ashy. Ew. So this is gonna be real easy to install, y'all. All I'm gonna do to my natural hair is just put some gel in it and blend it in with the Jerry Curl wig. But yes, it's looking nice and full. I believe it's 150% density. The curls look really pretty. So I'm so excited about this. This is gonna be so quick. So I'm gonna just fast forward through this real quick. And then I'll come back at the end and we'll talk about it. All right, you guys, so I'm done installing the wig. It looks so natural. My hair blended pretty well. This is kinky curly hair, and I finger combed this out with my hands. I finger combed it out, you guys. It looks so freaking good. The hair is so soft and lightweight. The wig was so easy to put in. I didn't even have to adjust the back part, but let me just adjust it for you guys real quick. The wig honestly feels so secure, and just even more secure once you tighten up the back drawstring, but it just fits really nicely. There's a lot of hair. I just have some of the hair pulled out back and some of it pulled forward, and then the rest in the back. There's so much hair to go around. It looks so freaking good. I just have my edges slicked back for a nice little clean look. It looks like a fresh out the shower kind of look. It's so stinking cute. This is so cute. It's perfect for the summer. It might be a little bit too hot for the summer, but if you're like going to the pool or gonna be wet, getting wet at all, this is perfect because it's just gonna curl up and your hair only looks cute. It only looks better when you get a little water on it, okay? So yes, this is the kinky curly V part wig with the drawstring in the back. Is so freaking nice, and it's like a little bit damp right now, just like a tiny bit. It's probably like 85% dry right now, but it just looks so good. Look at the curls. Look at the curls on this wig. It's so cute. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. Make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have the direct link to this wig in the description box with a discount code. And again, UNICE has all their wigs on sale right now. This is the largest sale that they've ever had. So if you want to get an affordable wig for the low, make sure you guys check out the description box. Make sure you drop a comment. Tell me how you guys like this wig. You guys feeling the curly V-part wig? You guys wearing your leave out this summer? What are you guys doing? You guys wearing your leave out this summer? It looks so freaking cute. I freaking love it. It's so soft too. I can't even stop touching it. I can't even stop touching it. It's so nice. Oh my gosh. All right. Thank you so much, UNICE, for sponsoring this video. Thank you everybody for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.